Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna do a little beef stroganoff, a little altered recipe right now. Got a piece of ribeye. We're gonna break that down a little bit. We're gonna chop it up. Got some water boiling. We're about to put our noodles in there. Just got some extra wide egg noodles. Just gonna throw the rest of that bag in there. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna boil some noodles. We're gonna cook up some steak, and we are going to add some cream of mushroom and some cheese and some milk, and it'll probably be delicious. Now, as you'll figure out, I like cooking with ribeye. It's probably my favorite piece of beef as far as steak goes. And you can see we got all of our pieces basically sliced up about the same thickness. And run it down the long way a couple times. Should be good. Got our pan with our butter. Kick that up a notch. Now we're just gonna black pepper that up. A little bit of Lowry's. Just remember, you can almost never over season raw meat. Now we're going to give the noodles about 8 minutes. We want to just get them cooked, because then we're going to put them in here with the meat and the cream of mushroom, and we're going to let it simmer for a while, and it will be delicious. And we will come back in just a little bit. Alright guys, we're back. The meat's pretty much the level we want to get it cooked, so we turned down the heat very, very low. We've got about 2 minutes left on the noodles. We're going to add our cream of mushroom soup to our meat. Add a little bit of milk. About half a cup. Part of a cup. Don't have to be exact. It's gonna thicken up. Have that little bit of extra there. Once again, more garlic, because Alan loves the garlic. I'll let that little mix, and we can turn the heat back up a little bit. Get this back up, starting on its way back up to a simmer, because we are just about to add our noodles. I think we're good on our timer for our noodles here. these out. Probably should have made more noodles than we made, but so that's what you want your noodles, especially going in here al dente. Do whatever it says on the package for al dente. Mine is about 8 minutes of boiling. They're not fully cooked, but they're definitely right on that edge. We have everything solid mix here. Just I also really like to always add some citrus of some kind. So add a little squirt of lemon juice. Now, just set this on here. Stir this every couple of minutes. Actually, I'll add a little bit extra butter in here. I'm going to stir this every couple of minutes on low heat for about the next 15-20 minutes, and we'll be back and show you the finished product. Alright, we're back. It's been simmering. Everything looks like it's really cooked. The noodles are nice and tender. Now, at the end of it is when I'm going to add my cheese. Now, you know what? Some people are going to argue that this isn't beef stroganoff, and I don't really care. It's an adaption of a recipe for somebody that maybe doesn't cook a lot. I'm just going to do some mozzarella. And some cheddar, and you know, we're in Wisconsin. We love cheese, so the more the better. Give this another ooey gooey mix up here. And now we're good. Turn off the heat. Give it just a second with the top on it. Make all that nice and good together. And I've gone ahead and toasted a couple pieces of bread. So this is my preferred way to do this. We're just gonna butter up our bread here. Yeah, lots of butter, and here we are, guys. Yeah, no idea of the first bite here. Very hot, very ooey gooey, and delicious. And that is our quick recipe for the evening.